I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and freeing a direct USB port. Plug the Wi-Fi USB stick into a USB 3.0 port. You want maximum power and speed. If your computer has an internal Wi-Fi adapter, disable it temporarily so drivers don't conflict. Once inserted, watch for any OS prompts and note whether the system recognizes new hardware. If drivers aren't offered automatically, prepare the driver files on a USB thumb drive or download them from the manufacturer on another device. Now you'll install drivers and configure the adapter so it can join networks. Run the setup executable or install the driver package manually in Device Manager or System Preferences. Follow prompts and restart if required. Once rebooted, open your network settings, choose the new adapter, and scan for available SSIDs. Select your network, choose the correct security type, and enter the password carefully. Make sure to prioritize WPA2 or WPA3 for security. After connecting, verify internet access by visiting a simple web page. Finish by setting the USB Wi-Fi adapter as your preferred connection and adjusting power management so the OS doesn't sleep the device. You should also check for driver or firmware updates to improve range and stability. Once everything is stable, test throughput with a quick speed check. If something goes wrong, don't panic. First, make sure drivers are correct, then try a different USB port or another computer to isolate hardware faults. If problems persist, reinstall drivers or contact the vendor for firmware support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.